Greetings from the apocalypse. So in this video, I'm going to show you a little trick of mine for figuring out your fringe necklaces and how to make sure that all your elements are going to hang beautifully.
Look at that. So Sally and I were actually doing a little troubleshooting and design work about, she's going to hang these beautiful bezels with stones, which actually I'll take a little quick video of those too so that people can see them. And we were talking about, like, how do you know ahead of time how they're going to hang, how far up your neck you should go. So I suggested this low tech but effective technique here. Take some paper clips, hang them on the chain, and then you can hold it up to your neck and you can see, pardon me, it's okay if I, you know, how far up they're going to go on you, and just how it's going to look. And it's a really simple way to figure these things out before you make all your decisions and solder things together and then go, oh, fuck me, that's too much. So we're going to go over to Sally's spot and look at her gorgeous stones, but this is just a little tip about how you figure things out. Put the juicy little baby there. So here's Sally's beautiful little wax box. This is what we use for putting our stones in bezels, and you can see she has these gorgeous sapphires and rubies. And that's basically what we were trying to figure out, is like how many of them fit, how far up the neck should they go. So the paper clip method is low tech but super effective.
In her book, Sally.
Look at that. Hubba hubba. Ooh, delish. Look at those stones.
Does it ever get
and
better
those
than
bezels.
pink, really?
Nothing. Oh,
Just
so
missing
gorgeous.
one stone. I need an odd number.
All right, well. Do you have to get another one, or you're just taking
when
one
Denny
out?
comes.
Oh, okay. All
So
right.
which one is the center one? Well,
The biggest one?
this one, I
Yeah.
think.
Yes.
And then you're going that. I'm going to do them a little random. Not necessarily in size order. Oh, are you videoing?
Yeah. Okay, so just to update you, see how well that paper clip method worked? Now all of her gorgeous bezels are hanging exactly where we want them to be. And now Sally can get down with her bad self and start actually setting all the stones. But sometimes the simplest, here, turn toward me just a little bit more. I just want to so everyone can get the full effect. A lot of times the simplest methods give you the best results. Yay! So Sally's getting ready to set her first stone. We've been fooling around with the height. This is a rose cut stone. So I'm going to hold it up so you can see from the side. You see that? Well, it looks good. So basically the bezel's just a little bit above the girdle. With a rose cut, you don't want a lot of bezel sticking up, or you'll end up with too much bezel covering your beautiful stone. So I have given Sally my seal of approval that she can go ahead and start setting. Although this is not like a, pear shape, we are going to concentrate first on the smaller, the pointier aspects first, but otherwise it's just normal,
Okay.
your
new setting tool.
and your beautiful new bezel roller from the master setting tool set. Insert plug here. There you go. All right, get to it. So just to show Sally's progress, got 3 in and set over here. We've got to tweak the height of this one a little bit, and then on to the next. Oh, so here's the necklace in progress. Sally is getting ready to set the last delicious stone. Oh my God, this piece, I love these stones.
Just a pink girl like that one.
Oh, girl after my own heart. I mean, look at that. Hubba hubba. Oh my God. So here's the unveiling of Sally's unbelievable fucking gorgeous necklace. It's just amazing. I mean, I'm going to show you some close-ups too, but I just had to show you Sally wearing it, and we're all just quelling. Oh, yay.
Thank you.
Sally is a rock star.
Thank you.
So we're jealous.
Oh.
No, come on.
I know, right? I mean, just so delicious.
Love those colors.
I know. So good.